everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our video today. We're going to go over a used 2018 Rockwood 232 ESP. Really nice travel trailer, really popular model. We're going to start off going over the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me. Gosh, when you come into this trailer, it's enormous. You can't believe how much room you've got. Huge bed up front. It is a heated mattress. Very large mattress in the rear as well, and it is heated as well. This tent trailer comes with the shower and the toilet combination. So you've got a curtain up here that acts as your shower curtain, and you set in the toilet area and you can shower here. Works really well. Here we've got some cabinetry and some drawers for storage, and we also have that down on the other side. Across from that, we've got our heater, again, and some more drawers. Large dinette, you can get the whole family around here. It is actually a freestanding table. A person could take this outside and use it outside if they wanted to. This makes down into sleeping as well. You could probably easily sleep 6 people in here, maybe more. Large 3-burner stove. Hot and cold hot and cold sink right there. Cabinetry here. Real handy to take your silverware in, clean it off at the house, bring it back out. Nice and lightweight. Here's your fridge. Uh-oh, there we go. Fridge is here. You've got some power, your CO2 detector, circuit breaker, and fuse box. This is just an access panel for a technician. You can see they've screwed it in place. There's no reason to really get back there. You've got 2 USB ports here and your water heater on-off switches there. You've got a bunch of your goodies here. This is your thermostat for your heated mattress here, and all your plug-ins and connections, remotes, those kinds of things come with it in there. As we step outside, you can see this trailer is an ESP. It does come with the larger tires, gives you better clearance. Here's your cassette toilet in here, so when you're done using the restroom, you'll take this over to your dump station and dump it. This is going to be a quick connection for a barbecuer, or actually any propane device you can hook up to that. There's a table that mounts here. This is your gray dump here. Full-size spare tire. Here's your slide over here. This is some more storage underneath your dinette inside. Water heater. Back of the refrigerator here. This is your hot and cold exterior shower. This is where your exterior 30-amp power cord will connect. There's nothing here. If it had AC, this is where the power for that would come out. And your city water connection and your gray water dump right here. I want to share with you the weight real quick. It's 2,800 pounds dry, and fully loaded it's just a hair under 3,800 pounds. So really towable by a lot of SUVs, any half-ton. If you have any questions on this 2018 Rockwood 232 ESP, please don't hesitate to give me, Jason Fairchild, a call. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.